Well, I think it's interesting to see that projects that are here today, that they have been going on for almost a year now, or at least a year exactly. That's what the design reviews are for. And it's good to see that now everybody's getting a better grip on the projects that they're doing. And it's time to share what all the projects have learned about different perspectives on product service systems.
This is the Lijm project, which is a care droid building. We build robots for disabled people or elderly or other minorities. We have a couple of demonstrations, small ones, to explain what the project is about.
I was at Grey & Mobile, and there was a discussion about the 3 levels of concreteness in projects and how they relate to each other. Then you can have a real concrete talk and also help them forward with their questions.
I think the different perspectives need to be brought together for CRISP to have one clear voice about what a product service system actually can mean for society, for designers and for the creative industry.
In my opinion, a product service system is really a combination of some physical device with a continuous service, along the lifetime of this actual device that adds value to the way you use the device. And in fact, it is almost a device that has a relationship with you.
We had a lot of discussion on it, but for me, I think it has something to do with that you have a tangible product, and that on top of the value that the tangible product gives me, you have all kind of extra offerings that increase the value, and mostly those can be intangible or digital, or I'm not sure if it's a good definition, but at least it's a kind of impression of what it is.
It's something that almost cannot be defined, at least not as one singular thing, and maybe it shouldn't be, because it's something that every time that it is designed, it's going to have to be redesigned, especially for the people who are using the system.
So for example, without the services that I have on my smartphone, the device itself would be very little use to me. So whereas the smartphone in itself is perhaps a product, the fact that I can download great applications from the App Store and use them make it into a service that is much more valuable than just a simple phone.
I'm trying to create a single visual that represents what a product service system stands for, and how the people from the CRISP project are able to pinpoint their position within the world of product service systems, and in that way make what they do clear to the other teams and to their partners.